Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another video. I am Dhani, and if you are new here then please do consider subscribing. Now this video is gonna be a little different one as it's more on the informative side, but I truly felt that this can turn up to be something super helpful to a few of you, because recently I've heard a lot of conversations happening around one thing, that is our JEE nahi diya or couldn't clear it, so what do we have in our hands now? In fact, there were just so many messages of people saying that they couldn't appear for the exams and their reasons were quite valid. You know, the most common question that I kept seeing was that agar JEE nahi kiya then can we make our career in fields like AI? Like क्या जेई के बिना कोई नेक्स्ट जनरेशन कॉलेज मिल सकता है? And trust me, this doubt is completely valid. And then I just started looking for alternatives. Actually ended up doing some solid research. I came across a few really interesting options, and one of them stood out to me: premium offerings, modern curriculum, and the best part, that no JEE requirement. So I thought, why not just share this with you guys as well? I am talking about the Mirai School of Technology. Now, what makes it different? What all do they offer? And how can one get there? Let's just talk about everything today in this video. So let me first begin with telling you guys that what is Mirai. Mirai is a next generation AI first tech institute. Basically आज के टाइम के लिए स्पेशली डिजाइन किया गया है. So यहाँ तुम AI and machine learning जैसे cool tech skills सीखोगे, which is of utmost demand right now. तो ये बीटेक डिग्री देता है AI and machine learning में AICTE approved partner colleges के साथ. There are two partner campuses that they have. First one is the Rathinam Institute of Technology in Bangalore and दूसरा हाईटेक इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इन दिल्ली एनसीआर. यहाँ तुम सेमेस्टर 1 से ही कोडिंग स्टार्ट करते हो, पाइथन, C++, जावास्क्रिप्ट, एंड यू डू रियल वर्ल्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड यूज द AI टूल्स जैसे कि ChatGPT, Hugging Face, जो इंडस्ट्रीज में गूगल एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के प्रोफेशनल्स यूज करते हैं. टॉकिंग अबाउट द फाउंडिंग टीम, तो मिराई के फाउंडर है अर्पित शारदा, हु इज फ्रॉम बिट्स पिलानी एंड IIM कोझिकोडे. एंड इनके पास ना यार एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री का काफी एक्सपीरियंस है. एंड वरुण भैया एंड कार्तिक भैया, कोडिंग ब्लॉक्स के को-फाउंडर्स, इन्होंने ही मिराई को बनाया है विद अ विजन दैट ये स्टूडेंट्स को टेक ग्रेजुएट्स नहीं, टेक लीडर्स बनाना चाहते हैं. अभी तक ये 50,000 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रेन कर चुके हैं. इनसे ट्रेन स्टूडेंट्स गूगल, मेटा, अमेजॉन तक प्लेस्ड हैं. और सबसे बड़ी बात दैट ये लोग खुद भी मिराई में मेंटोर करते हैं एंड ऑल्सो विल बी पर्सनली गाइडिंग यू थ्रू आउट योर जर्नी. इन्होंने ही मिराई का फर्स्ट AI करिकुलम डिजाइन किया है. अच्छा, सो नाउ ऑल्सो लेट मी टेल यू दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग प्रीमियम फैसिलिटीज योर MacBook from day one and 15 plus AI tools. You'll get advanced labs and campus infrastructure, robotics lab, Apple lab, and smart classrooms. Also, how can we forget Mirai ka Miraiverse, which is a futuristic learning environment for Gen Z coders, mentorship by MAANG experts, plus co-pilot programming and live coding sprints. Also, you get internship and placement supports, like third year से ही paid internship का chance based on your performance. Talking about global competition, students को Google Summer of Code, Imagine Cup, Facebook Hacker Cup जैसे global competitions में participate करने का चांस मिलता है. अच्छा, सो नाउ लेट्स जस्ट डिस्कस अबाउट द फीस एंड स्कॉलरशिप्स. तो ट्यूशन फीस इज 10 lakhs फॉर 4 years, जो कि प्रीमियम कॉलेजेस के हिसाब से ओके है. हाँ, बट हॉस्टल फी इज सेपरेट. और हाँ, स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम्स भी है जो आप यहाँ के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स देने के बाद अवेल कर सकते हो. Now talking about the campus life and learning style, campus में होती है live coding sessions, prompt battles, Gen AI hackathons, मतलब coding and fun दोनों hand in hand. अच्छा, so अब I'll also be letting you know about the admission process. You must have completed your 12th with PCM stream and you need 50% overall marks. Okay, so now let me quickly tell you the steps. सबसे पहले you have to register on Mirai's official website. Then just download and fill the application for preparation. Book your slot for Mirai National Screening Test, that is mains, and then appear for the mains online exam from home. Shortlisted students will be called for an expert interview. If you get selected, you'll then receive an offer letter. You can also claim the scholarship if eligible. There is also admissions through Mirai National Screening Test Mains, which is an online test of 2 hours and has got 60 questions in total. The subjects are AI learnability, aptitude and reasoning, each of 20 marks. So there is +3 for each correct answer and -1 for the wrong one. So then top 20% student gets shortlisted for expert interview, and that is completely based on your performance in the entrance test. So guys, if you also want to take your tech journey next level by incorporating AI into it, I definitely डेफिनेटली फील इट विल बी सुपर हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। ऑल्सो 6 जून को लास्ट डेट है अप्लाई करने के लिए, 7th को होगा एग्जाम। सो इफ यू रियली लाइक देयर ऑफरिंग्स एंड यू वांट टू अप्लाई, देन go check it out because they have got limited seats available. Link is there in the description box for you to check out. And I feel that was pretty much it about this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one super soon. Bye.